Want to improve your audio on the Osmo Pocket 3 using just the DJI Mic Mini Transmitter? No extra receiver needed. Let me show you how. All you need is the Osmo Pocket 3 and the DJI Mic Mini Transmitter. First, turn on the DJI Mic Mini Transmitter by holding the power button for a few seconds until the light turns on. Now, on the Osmo Pocket 3, swipe it down, go to Settings, Wireless and Mic, Bluetooth mic, and turn it on. The Osmo Pocket 3 will automatically detect the DJI Mic Mini Transmitter. Just select it, and once connected, you're ready to go. So guys, this is the DJI Mic Mini. I connected to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So again, this is the sound quality of the DJI Osmo Pocket with the DJI Mic Mini. So again, this is the sound quality of DJI Mic Mini to the Osmo Pocket 3. So if you have Osmo Pocket 3, a single edition not the combo, and if you want perfect wireless microphone, the DJI Mic Mini is a perfect mic for Osmo Pocket 3. Not only just for Osmo Pocket 3, you can buy a single, you can buy just a transmitter or the mic itself, and yeah. So again, there's a combo. You can buy two transmitter and receiver, which is USB-C, perfect also for your mobile, iPhone 15, 16, and Android. And again, if you have Osmo Pocket 3 single edition or not the combo edition, so check this DJI Mic Mini. So again guys, if you want to check the price and availability of the DJI Mic Mini and Osmo Pocket 3, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, ganito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay. Got any question? Drop them in the comments. And if it's helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more vlogging tips.